Hello, my name is Navarro, the founder and owner of Navarro's Flooring. We specialize in high-end hardwood floor refinishing, installation, staircases, pre-finished floors, and luxury vinyl plank installation. Here in Navarro's Floors, what makes us different is that we take one job at a time and we really look at the small details. All the little small stuff that most people don't see, we see it before the customer sees it and we take care of it. We have multiple certificates and awards that we have earned throughout the years. We are a BONA certified craftsman company. You have to be welcome into that program. BONA is the biggest manufacturer of wood products in the world. We are also a National Hardwood Floor Association certified installer and sand and finish company. We have also taken multiple factory training courses throughout the country. We have gone and taken the DuraSeal finish classes. We have taken the BONA classes. We have taken the Lager PST certifications. And we are also scheduled to take the advanced sand and finishing courses from the National Hardwood Floor next year. Some concerns that I have from customers are, what do I do with the furniture? I heard that hardwood floors is a dusty job and that the finishes are very stinky and high VOCs. But after we discussed this with the homeowner, I explained to him that the new finishes are water-based, low VOC finishes that are almost smellless, very low VOCs. All our sanders are hooked up to vacuums. All the vacuums collect about 98% of the dust, and we can also help you move the furnitures in and out after we're done with the job. Here in Navarro's Flooring, we know how important it is for you to get your house back as soon as possible. Less distraction in your life. We use low VOC finishes that are gonna make us be able to have you move it back to your house as soon as possible. Here in Navarro's Floors, we understand that your home is your kingdom and you would like to move back as soon as possible. We do everything possible to make sure there's no delays and we get this job done on time and on budget. Our goal is just to make the customer happy without any delays, extra budget, or change orders. We make sure that when I give you an estimate, that's the price you pay. No hidden costs, and we make sure our jobs are done on time and on budget.